Morning. In this class, we are going to say about the case study of the gyroscopic. What is the case study? Just taking any problem, we have to analyze the case studies. For example, if you are traveling in a two-wheeler cycle, first thing comes the cycle. Cycle is traveling. When you are turning the cycle, what happens is if you turn the left hand side, you will be having some bending towards the right hand side, so that to balance the vehicle. Or if you also turn on the left hand side, or it will come a slip down, it will take a slippery and the vehicle will be falling down. The injury may damage will be happening. So, okay, in the vehicle running in the road or vehicle running in the in a rails also, you can have the balancing is easier for you. But at the same time, when the vehicles we are considered as the vehicles traveling in the air as an aeroplane or in the sea, then you don't have any strong bone, we are not having it. So what will happen? What will happen if it is actually turning it? This is basically a good. For that, what we cannot have we can travel in the flight or in the sea or the ship itself to know the balance, how to balance it. So that we have an instrument as a gyroscopic. In this gyroscopic, what happens if you switch on the power? Switch on the power. Switch on the power. No. Okay, here when it is running on the one, now the instrument has been balanced here. This is once the motor is there, the wheel is running there, the other side is free of air, no load is there. When now running there, it will be having it. Now you can see here as a 0 degree the point. When a load has been added here, you are adding some load. What happens? It turns to a and turns to some more degree. It shows the degree. So this degree informs that what is tilted there. So this is a case of the gyroscope. Do you have any notes here in this case study? This is as per our table of problem. We have to add it the loads, the upper loads, how many days it has been tilted that we are noting it here. So in this practically we cannot able to measure the degrees, but what we can able to identify it. Such things we have to change, we have to bend it such that we have the such things we have to change it such that we have to bend such a slightly, or only then we can able to balance the vehicles.
It's based on load.
Based on the load.
So now we are adding a load motor. How much weight would we add to for taking
this is a good question here. He is asking is that what the load can be added for the maximum limit you are asking. There is a depending upon for this weight itself. Here already in this experiment you can able to know what is the motor weight and what is the unload weight is there. Okay. And we have to do experiments of this case is of 1 kilogram, this case of 3 kilograms. So how do you do this? We already weighed here, and on this weight we can able to balance it. In this case, if you are balancing to this ratio, whatever bagging, whatever the vehicle you are carrying there, and how many passengers are traveling in, we can able to locate it, we can able to have a study on, and then in such a way we can have the maximum load to be placed on the vehicle. That's why he asked the question. Any other one?
Sir, while adding the weight, how much do you can?
Okay, for this one now, if you see if it's not running, we'll see if you are adding weight, what happens? This will be it doesn't build here. But the exercise is kept it, but it is not turned to any degree center. If you are running, the vehicle is running on means the vehicle will be running to a degree from 0 to it will be going to about 8 degrees, 9 degrees will be tilting. So in this stage, at the stage also it will not fall down there, it will be carrying it. Weight is also. And any others for yourself? This is a case study. We are putting the case study on the we are remembering this as a vehicle. So we are identifying this as a vehicle On this vehicle we are adding some of the weight springs and what degrees can able to tilt it such that when we are traveling in any cars or any vehicles we can able to tilt it such that on base of this only we will be having the motion difference between the road surface as well as the vehicle also.
Okay.
Okay. Well, this is the end of the session. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.